Hello friends, welcome to TechCat, and today we discuss about how to delete background in image with PowerPoint. Firstly, you have to open the PowerPoint and copy the background image in the PowerPoint. You can see here I copy the image and then paste in the PowerPoint slide. It's too large, so I resize that image according to the slide. You can see I take this according to the PowerPoint slides. Okay, it's done. Now take the next image which you want to insert in that background. Copy that image and then paste on the slide. You can see here is the background screen which is not according to my wallpaper. So I want to remove that background image and merge the both of the image into a one image. So what can I do? Select that image and go to Format. Here is the option Color. Set Transparent Color option. Click on that image. You can see the background is removed from the image. Now I resize the image. You can see here it looks good. Yeah. Now it's done. Then the next one is save the file. Click on Save As and click on Presentation. Save with JPEG extension and save the folder on desktop and click on Save. Yeah, every slide. Okay. So friends, I will show you how my pictures look like. You can see that picture. The two pictures are merged in a one picture. So friends, I hope you learned this topic very easily. If you like this video, then share this video and subscribe my channel TechCat. Thank you. And also press the bell icon.